2 boxes for 50.
I hear you. Well, we're on Pyro Patriots. Right. What's happening? Hope you guys are doing well this evening. We are looking at, yes, the Giant Panda 6-inch canister shell. 12 shells with 2 fiberglass tubes in it. That's awesome. And look at that Temple of Heaven brand. Pretty excited to see what's in it. I've been waiting to open this puppy. This is a precious one. It sure is. When I seen it and I knew it arrived, I was calling, and I had to shoot down. And, well, here it is. Let's go ahead and open it and see how the packing is. Holy smokes, it's nicely packed. You got some styrofoam in the middle. Look at that. You want to go ahead and remove that? Got some assistance here. A fellow pyro. Let's look inside. Interesting. Look at that. That's a pretty nice long canister. This is wild. Wow.
That base.
That base. It's all about that base. Look at this. Man alive. I mean, you look at my hand and it's like pretty cool. I'm pretty excited. You know, I'm enthused, and I can't wait for the big day to celebrate and set these suckers off.
I feel like a kid in a candy store right now.
You know what? Let's cut through the packaging, and there you go. Let's get that fancy Spyderco. Get that open, pull the base apart, and let's see what's happening. This looks cool.
Ooh.
Wow.
Oh, Daddy likes.
All right, we'll go ahead and separate that from. Yeah, look at that base, man. Very cool. This is awesome to do this live and hot. I mean, it's hot off the shelf. I mean, everyone was talking about pandas once we saw the first video. It was exciting, and it's like it got real. Man, they took time with the wrapping and everything. Look at this mortar, man. How long is this thing?
It's like a foot, easily.
Right? It has to be.
Like a nice, real thick.
Yeah, absolutely.
Woo.
No doubt about that.
Wow.
All right.
Let's not end up in the hospital tonight, CZ.
You know, I'm excited. Let's see, what do we have here? We have number 7, lucky number 7, gold willow with platinum rain, red green, right? That looks like red green. Palm with platinum rain, silver strobin willow with red glitter, blue star and platinum rain. I mean, this is interesting. Gold willow red with white glitter and platinum rain. Bright white brocade crown with teal and platinum rain. Interesting. Wow. Okay. You know, let's do this. All right. We're going to go for a walk. Just a second. Here we go. We're about to ignite this for the first time. Red Apple exclusive Panda shells. Pretty excited. And here's the very first Panda shell.
No, it doesn't. Oh, it has a lid on.
Holy moly. All right, and let's go to the next one.
All right.
That is quite the hit. Cannot believe the height and the break. Wow. Wow. And there you have it, Pyro Patriots. Remember to ignite safely and ignite for the name of liberty. Firework of the night. You seen it. True testimony. Seizing them out.